How to use discounts and promotions in sales and marketing to help you produce more results.
Take effing action, put it together, and subscribe to Tom Peng's channel on YouTube now. Yeah, I like it. It's crazy.
So in my company, a lot of salespeople, they come to me and say, hey, Tom, can we give this customer 50% off so that they will buy? And in our marketing team, not the current one, but in the past marketing team, they like to sell discounts. They like to have flash sales. They like to have 10% off, 20% off, 50% off as a way to entice customers to engage with us. Are these good strategies? Are they effective? Will they kill your bottom line? Meaning that, are you going to make money by offering such steep discounts? My answer to that is simply no. I do not believe in discounts and promotions as a way to attract customers. Because when you offer discounts and promotions, what you're selling is discount and promotions. People who buy your product are enticed by discounts and promotions. And what kind of people like discounts and promotions? The people that are cheap. The people that are price sensitive. They only buy when there's a discount or promotions. They're not going to be your most loyal customers, depending on what you sell. But for our business, I don't want disloyal customers. I want customers that stay with us for the long term because we need to grow together. Our business requires our customer and us grow together, we prosper together. So I don't like the idea of discounts and promotions because it cheapens our product. It makes our product look cheap. It makes people believe that we can't sell it, therefore we have to offer discounts for people to sell it. When actually that's not true. There's people basically breaking down the door and say, please, why I don't know about this product? Why this product is so cheap? In fact, that's what most of our customers say to us. Why is your product so cheap? Once they understand what we do, they say, why is our product so cheap? Price is never the issue, so I don't like to offer discounts and promotions. I want you to think about big brands, famous brands, like let's say Rolex, or Mercedes-Benz, or Louis Vuitton. That would be the handbags for women. I don't know very much about it. Gucci, all those big, famous fashion brands. Do they offer discounts? No, they don't offer discounts. In fact, you walk into a Louis Vuitton store, the salespeople are like this. Okay? They don't give a shit. They look down on you. They think you can't afford it because a handbag is like $5,000. Or that's like $100 million. If you say, hey, I want to buy this handbag, you know what the Louis Vuitton people say? They say, well, this handbag, we only sell to members. You have to be a very privileged member of Louis Vuitton before we'll sell it to you. Even if you want to buy it, they don't want to sell it to you. That is only for members. And then you say, how do I become a member? Well, first of all, you gotta start buying other things. When you accumulate enough money spent with us, you become a valuable member, and then we'll show you our special catalog. And then you can buy from that. True. Try to do that in Louis Vuitton. See if I'm telling the truth. That's how they do it. They never offer any discount. You walk in the store, they don't want to sell anything to you. I'm not saying you should run your business like that. I'm not saying that because you're not Louis Vuitton, okay? You're not such a famous brand. But what I'm saying is that they make the product so special that people are begging to buy their products. You never offer discounts. That's what I want my salespeople, my marketing team to do as well. You want to work with us? Then we don't offer any discounts. We don't offer any promotions. Our product is good. If the customers are asking for discounts, that means the sales and marketing people are not doing their job because the customer don't know the value. They're still arguing about the price. Once the customer understands the value of our products, they will never argue about the price. They will think it's too cheap. They will never argue with it. They want the value. They want the benefit of the product more than they want discount. People want to buy Louis Vuitton. They don't care how much money they spend. They just want the bag. They want the bag so bad. They don't care about discount. They will spend more to get it. If they can't get it in the store, they will try to find it over the world, a used product. And they will spend more money on it. You understand? Discounts and promotions should not be easily offered to the customer. The most important thing for any sales and marketing team is to make sure the customer understands the value proposition of your product. What does your product do for your customer? What problem does your product and services offer to the customer? What pain points of the customer are you trying to solve? When you're trying to solve their pain point and the customer understands it, they will spend any money. They'll pay anything to solve their problems. People want to have a Louis Vuitton bag to look special, to look privileged, to have self-esteem. That's what the real problem is. And Louis Vuitton solved that problem. And we're in e-commerce. We help businesses survive COVID. We help businesses grow their sales and revenue. So businesses with that problem, once they understand what we can do for them, price is no object. They know they have to spend this money to get more money. Never offer discounts and promotions. You only offer discounts and promotions case by case, and only when you say this to the customer. You know what? My company doesn't offer any discounts, but only for you, and I fight very hard with my boss for it. I talked to Tom, and he doesn't want to do it, but I talked to him for like half a day, and he finally agreed to give you this incentive. And he said only today. You have to buy today. Otherwise, he's not going to offer this to you again. That's how you do discounts and promotions. You do not put on your fucking website 50% off. That's fucking crazy. That's like you telling the world your product is worthless. Your product is actually worth 50% less than what it is. You never say that. But you can offer discounts to customers case by case, but only in special cases. And the customers should feel very special when they get that discount. Oh, only I get it? You mean only I get it? And they feel special. If you offer 50% off to everyone, they don't feel special. There's no way they feel special. Everybody get it. It's not a discount. It's just a marketing trick. They all understand that. So I want you to use discounts and promotions correctly. Don't use it because your sales and marketing people are lazy. They don't want to do their job and they use discount promotion as a way to sell. That's a terrible idea. Discount promotions should only be used as in special cases to customers to make them feel special. That's it. Nothing else. You should never offer discounts, promotions publicly because it cheapens your product. It makes people believe that nobody wants to buy your product. So take some fucking action, apply my discount promotion strategy, and don't be a fucktard.